Hi everyone, how you guys all doing today? Very exciting because we're going to do an unboxing about how to get that studio content creator or YouTuber looks, because I got something from Aputure. But of course, before we start this video, if you can hit that like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell, that would be so helpful. All right, let's get started. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I gotta say, first thing you notice when you open up the box, they came with a pouch. That is awesome. And that's it, there's nothing in the box. So I'm gonna put that aside. Oh, Aputure. You can tell very professionally, came with a carrying bag, and of course hit that huge logo on top. You know what, that just reveal. Let's open up and see what's inside. This is the Aputure Lantern. So we got a Aputure Lantern user manual. We got a something says Lantern right here. Oh my gosh, so awesome. Very premium feeling you already get when you carry it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what's it like without the cover overall. If you can see right here, it's all stretched out with multiple bones or supports. So what you're gonna do is place this right here, all the way down, and then stretch out. That's okay, don't worry. And then there's a prong in the middle, like that. It's the whole metal thing. You push it all the way down and you'll lock onto here. To release, simple, you press it, let go, release, and back. Compact, setting up, easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after you set this up, this is gonna be what it looks like. Probably a good thumbnail photos right here. Let you take a look around it. And right here, they have the bowl mount. All right, so let's jump to the lighting setup. Switched out from the 60-inch umbrella with the Aputure Lantern. Right now, we set it up as having the 4 barn door around. So here's the before with the 60-inch umbrella footage, and switch back, this is the after. You can probably notice the light is more focused on my face and my body. The light doesn't spill as much at the umbrella itself. All right, so we're gonna take the barn door off and see how's the effect in between the umbrella and versus the without barn door Aputure Lantern. Okay, so this is what it looks like taking all the barn door off. How is it compared to the umbrella itself? So again, here's the before with the umbrella look, and this is the after. How is it the light perform? Does it spill a lot everywhere though? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for now. This has been the unboxing of the Aputure Lantern itself. What do you guys think? How's the quality in between the umbrella, the barn door around it, and without it? If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell would be much appreciated. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!